Nordic, and one of the questions we get with our folding poles is what happens if the folding sections aren't staying tight. If you're not using the poles in muddy conditions, you really don't need to tighten this joint. But if you are in muddy conditions and you want to tighten the joint, one thing that you want to ensure is that the poles push all the way in so that there's no gap here. So the poles push all the way in, and then you go righty-tighty until you feel it's nice and snug. Now let's take a look at the operation inside. So this yellow piece is an expander, and you can see it has this channel. When we twist to the right, this black mountain will come into the yellow valley, expanding the yellow expander, and that's what keeps the poles tight together. So you always want to make sure that the bungee cord is not all twisted up. That's one thing that can impact it. And then you also want to make sure that the yellow expander is rotating freely so that it's able to be tightened when you push the sections together. So again, when this comes together and I tighten to the right, what's happening in there is that yellow expander is expanding, and then it's nice and tight. So if that yellow expander isn't able to move freely so that that black mountain can slide down into that yellow valley as you righty-tighty, then you're going to have some issues. Or the bungee cord sometimes can get wound around. So there's a quick how-to.